Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I taught you air contains dust, smoke, germs, and water vapor. And today I will tell you clean and fresh air. Assume that dirty and impure air is harmful to health. You know that. And so we need pure air to breathe in. And air is pure when it is fresh. When air is pure when it is fresh. And we must therefore live in fresh air. And to get fresh air, what should we do? Grow green plants around your house. Grow green plants around your house, and they make the air clean and fresh. Then they make the air clean and fresh. And never live or play in smoky or dusty places, and the air in these places is impure. And live in an airy room where ventilation is there, and let fresh air and sunlight come in. Never cover your face while sleeping. When you are sleeping, don't cover your face, and the air we breathe out is impure. We must not breathe it again. Never cover your face while sleeping. The air we breathe out is impure. We must not breathe it again. And to have regular walk in fresh air, and air is fresh in open places. Air is fresh in open places. Always play in the open. Always play in the open. And take exercise in fresh air. Take exercise in fresh air, and it is good for health. Riversides to have fresh and pure air. So clean and fresh air, what should we do for getting clean and fresh air? We should do these things: grow green plants around your house, and live in airy room, let the fresh air and sunlight come in, and regular walk in fresh air. Air is fresh in open places. And now what have you learned in this chapter? All living things need air to stay alive, and air contains water vapor, dust, smoke, and germs. And dust is fine particles of soil. Dust, smoke, and germs make the air dirty and impure. Dirty and impure air is harmful to health, and we must breathe in clean and fresh air. We must grow more and more plants. When air is dirty, we say it is contaminated or polluted. Smoke and dust in the air can cause diseases such as breathing problems, irritation in the eyes, and coughing. Now worksheet 11. Fill in the blanks. We breathe in air all the time. We breathe in air all the time. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. Third one, when a sick person coughs, germs mix with the surrounding air, and dirty air is harmful to our health. Dirty air is harmful to our health. Dust, smoke, and germs make the air dirty. Write T for true and F for false. Air contains dust, smoke, and germs. True. Smoke is released when something burns. True. We must breathe in clean and fresh air. True. We should sleep with our face covered. False. Green plants keep the air fresh and clean. True. And now come to the tick the right word. The heat of the sun changes the water into water vapor. Dust is fine particles of soil, and air is pure when it is fresh. Now match the following: more smoke in the air, area near factory; more germs in the air when sick person coughs; more dust in the air, area near Kacha road; more water vapor in the air, area near sea or a river. What does the air contain? Air contains water vapor, dust, smoke, and germs. What is released when something burns? Smoke is released when something burns. What happens when a sick person sneezes or coughs? When sick person sneezes or coughs, germ mixes with the surrounding air, and it makes the air impure and dirty. What kind of air should we breathe? We should breathe clean and fresh air. This is all about exercise, and you will take revision of the exercises.